Hey, what's good, y'all? It's your man DJ Green Hornet coming back with another unboxing video. This time we got the mini air horn. It's a novelty toy, and what's inside is the mini air horn with a booklet. Okay, it's for ages 8 and up. Once again, comes with the air horn inside. You have the booklet on the history of the air horn, and it runs on the small batteries, like the kind that you use for watches, etc. So let me open it up for you guys to see what it looked like, and I'll give it a little small demonstration. So yeah, as you can see, there go the mini air horn. I believe it's like 3.5 inches. The booklet, and it comes with the product information, or all the warning and battery safety paper right there. Instruction manual. Let me open it up a little bit for you guys, show you a few pages. You have pages right here, all the history of the air horn, and I'll leave one still picture at the end of the video that you can actually read. Just gonna go through it real quick. There go DJ Cool Herc and Cypher Sounds. Yeah. So yeah, this is pretty cool. I listen to reggae and dance hall, and you might be familiar with the sounds, and you listen to one of my recordings on the Blaxploitation mixtape. I use the air horn sample on my one of my tracks, and I will leave that at the end of this video too, the link where you can click it and you can hear my bugged out track one time. But yeah, this is a cool device, something to have to mess around with, even sample. This is where you put the battery, and you have the speaker at the bottom. Yeah, it's a cool device right here. This is no function right here. Right here, buttons on top. Yeah, I wanted to do this outside, that way I won't bug my upstairs or downstairs neighbor. Had the window open. But yeah, this is cool right here, So yeah, let me know if you like this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, share the video, and yeah, it's your man DJ Green Hornet, and I'm out. Peace. Yeah, make sure you go to my Bandcamp page and check out my track, You Want to Go Foreign, where I use air horn sounds in that track. I think something you'll enjoy. Make sure you go listen, stream it, download it. Link is in the video. Thank you. And if you like this video, make sure you like, subscribe, share, support, and donate. It's your man DJ Green Hornet, and I'm out. Peace.
DJ Green Hornet. why you say you want God married, you want God married.
Yeah, you know, lyrics and music thing.
Pussy, kiss me shoes, kiss me shoes.
The gargant speak, answer.
My yard, me have my gun behind me. Anytime it come round, and you know kiss my blood clot. Mum is the word, hurry up in the place the game. But are your last one? Kiss me shoes. Kiss it like how you kiss your girl. Pussy.